Let me follow suit in appreciating Mr. Mandla, the academy that is going to be opened in the region is going to not only assist in shaping the future of the young people in this country or in this region, but it's going to also contribute to the economy of this region. So we really appreciate that as well.
Amaxesha asiphilisa sizawuhamba umgama omde. Okokuqala mandiqale ndidlulise amazwi ndimele apha abelimi okanye amafama ala mmandla waseNgcobo. Abantu abaninzi ke bayantywala xa kubekwa umntu waseNgcobo. Madiba mandiqale kule mizuzwana mine endiza kuyima apha ndiqinisekise ngenkxaso engagungqiyo evela phaya eNgcobo ngelithi uyihlabe esikhonkosini kulo mntu onako ukuvula bangena abantwana baxhamle kwezi zakhono bamane bezinikwa. Kungangelishwa ke bantwana bam okokuba emva kokuba abazali benu bebengalali ubusuku nemini bethandaza, singaze sifumane ingxelo yokungaziphathi kakuhle kwenu apha kweli siko. Ndilapha ke on behalf of amafama aphaya kwaJuba kula mmandla waseNgcobo ndisithi masilandele ke ngcembe ezithembeni zalovuka indlela waseDICLA.
Yourselves students, potential students that are going to start with this artisan program. Artisans programs are very important on us. So, I would want to say that you have followed the State of the Nation's address by the President, because in his address he also stated that private sector must give opportunities not only to young people but to people of South Africa. When you talk employment, the President was saying employment opportunities must be then created by private sector.
Figure was a family part. Don't worry, you'll be part of the family soon. All right, thank you very much, Program Director. Let me take the opportunity to greet a senior citizen amongst us, Mama Zonke, the Banenzi councillors, Nabatabalapa, protocol is observed. It has been a long day and it's time to go back home. The program of induction is a bit longish, but we will try and finish it off on Monday. Because these kids that are here, some of them must still get accommodation. I want to wish you a safe trip back home to the leadership that is here. And a special thank from the family of DICLA Training and Projects. Thank you for accompanying your kids. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the wise words that you've shared with them. We must assure you one thing as DICLA Training and Project and as a leader of the institution, that I'm a loyal servant